This video is to show you how to add Google Analytics to your site. Please note that this video will cover adding Google Analytics using the measurement ID. To get started, you'll first need to access your Google Analytics account, which looks like this page here. You can click on the Start Measuring button to start the setup process. On the following page, you can add your account name in the dedicated box here. Select or deselect the data sharing options you agree with. Then tap the Next button. The following step will require you to enter your property details. The property name here should be easily identifiable as your format site, so you can enter your format site title. After that, you will also need to enter the reporting time zone as well as your currency. If you want to change these details, you can edit them at a later point from your admin account. When you're ready, tap Next. The following window will require you to add details related to your business, such as the industry category your business falls within, its size, as well as options on how you're looking to use Google Analytics with your business. Once you've selected the options relevant to your purposes, you can tap the Create button here at the bottom. This will generate a pop-up window with Google Analytics Terms of Service. Once you read through them and agree, you can tick the checkbox here and tap I accept. This will generate another pop-up window where you can select email communication preferences from Google Analytics. Once you've selected the desired options, you can tap Save. The next step is to set up your data stream. Under the Data Streams tab, you will need to select Web. In the pop-up window that comes up, you will need to enter your website URL. Please note that the URL version needed here is the full secure HTTPS version. Otherwise, you may experience errors along the way. Following this, you'll need to set the stream name, which can be your format site title followed by website, such as Nature Photography website. Once you've completed the process, you can tap Create. Following this, you'll need to enable the Enhance Measurement options. Then turn on the toggles for any options you want to collect additional data for and tap Save. Then view the web stream details. Check your site URL is correctly displaying with the full secure HTTPS. View the measurement ID. Then go to the Google Tag tab and tap View Tag Instructions. Then the Install Manually option here. From the Installations tab, select the code snippet with your cursor or mouse, then copy the content, or tap this Copy button here. After that, open your format account and go to Settings, Site, Custom Head Include. Carefully read the warning and tap Continue anyway after reading. In this box, paste the Google Site Tag code snippet and tap Save Changes in the upper right-hand corner. After this step, return to your Google Analytics account and Web Stream Details window. You can view your stream URL as well as the data collection status. Please note that it can take Google Analytics more than 48 hours to start collecting data, so it is unlikely you will see any data collected in the first 48 hours. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team by opening a chat window or by emailing us at info@forma.com. We'd be happy to help